Hi, very good morning, traders from TradeWiz. And today is Wednesday, so I have taken an entry here at 940 in 36,100 CE. Today being Wednesday, there'll be a lot of movement on one side. So S1 should be a target or S2. So the pivot being the stop loss here, that is I'm setting at 204. So this is based upon the breakout and also closing beyond the pivot and 36,000 points. And today being Wednesday also there will be a lot of movement. Let's hope it reaches S1 now. As it is making the wick, or like the thing to notice at a trader is what is the emotion that we are going through. This is also low of yesterday. We'll wait. So what does your mind starts telling you when it is a wick? See, the trade is complete once you entered it. People think trade is complete when you exit. No, trade is you are already complete when you are entered. Either stop loss or target. In between, whatever you go through is not of any use. And market is not promising us, okay, I'll give you target only. But it is a decision we have made in the market to enter, and we have entered. And not that all the times it will be in our favor, or it will be not in our favor. So, neither way. We'll wait. So, right now it's forming the wick below. And also, yesterday's pivot is there. So, we'll wait. Almost end of this candle. Okay, market is reversing here, forming a doji shooting star. PE price is almost to near this one. Okay, so forming upper wick, which is good, but the only this one is it has taken a support on the pivot. So if that gets okay, very good reversal here. Wow. So if it breaks the pivot and S1, so we'll take a target for S2, or we'll see on the even the S3. This is a very good indication that it is very bearish. Look at the top wick. The condition for reversal is the previous candle, this candle closing inside the previous candle wick. So it is trying to cross the pivot here from yesterday, which has been acting as a strong support. Almost reached S1, so we are almost near the target. Very good. So this 35,850 should be a good target. We'll wait for it to reach our target. Almost at the end of this candle, so it is not looking like it has taken a support in S1, forming a wick. Not bad. So it is closed below the pivot, just below the pivot, and also the 36,000 barrier is already broken. So we will wait for the target. Now, like if it breaches S1, we'll wait for 38, 35,850. This candle only. Okay, forming a wick above. Okay, so it is also breaching the S1, forming a wick. It is still at the beginning of the candle, so we'll wait. Hope it doesn't take a support here at S1. It has already tried to breach this twice, so third time usually there will be a break, but depends what is the mood in the market. Not good, formed a lower wick now and market reversing. Okay, forming a upper wick. Okay, so this is very good indication. It is not a reversal. If it closes below the wick of previous candle, then we should be okay. Still 2 more minutes. Very good. Clo- this is actually breaking the S1. So if it breaks this line, the support line that we have drawn, okay, it is very good. 850 should be definitely achievable. It should break and close. So we'll okay. Or below S1. So very good indication that it is broken the previous day low. So at the end of the candle, we will exit here.